Welcome to the Deep Dive. This is AI Brief, episode 217, and we're diving straight into the latest shifts in AI just for you. I'm Amin.
And I'm Leah. It's a pretty wild time in AI right now. Our goal today is to really unpack what's happening.
We're looking at some big launches, the incredible speed coming out of labs, especially in China, and how it's all shaking up the ecosystem.
Exactly. We'll hit Z.ai's new open source model, Microsoft's Copilot and Edge, Alibaba's video work.
And then a quick roundup of everything else important, plus some tools you might find useful. So let's get started.
Okay, first up, Z.ai. This Chinese startup used to be ZBoot, right?
That's the one. They've just dropped GLM 4.5. It's an open source agentic AI model family.
And the key thing here is performance versus cost. It's apparently undercutting DeepSeek on price.
Well, getting really close to the top closed models. We're talking reasoning, coding, agent stuff, all in one.
Yeah, it's a big one, 355 billion parameters. And they have this concept, hybrid thinking.
Which sounds clever.
Yeah.
What does that mean exactly?
Yeah. It sort of balances speed and power, goes full throttle for hard tasks, but eases off for simpler ones. Makes it efficient.
Okay, that makes sense. And they're not exactly humble about it, are they?
No, they're claiming it's the top open source model out there now, just behind, the big names like OpenAI's latest and Grok 4 overall.
But where it really shines, apparently, is agentic tasks. The AI actually doing things.
Right, taking actions, using tools. They're benchmarking it ahead of O3, Gemini 2.5 Pro, even Grok 4 on that stuff.
And hitting a 90% success rate with tool use. That's pretty impressive.
It really is. And importantly, they're opening it up. Both 4.5 and the Air version have open weights.
Plus, they open source their training framework, Slime.
Yeah, which is a big signal. It underlines this, insane pace from Chinese labs, Kun, Kimi, DeepSeek, Z.ai.
They're just churning out these powerful open models. It's closing the gap fast.
And putting serious pressure on Western companies, OpenAI's next release has got to be good to stay clearly ahead.
It changes the game if open source gets that close in performance, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Developers might just flock to the cheaper, open alternative.
Okay, shifting gears. Microsoft.
Right, Copilot Mode in the Edge browser. This isn't just a side panel anymore.
No, it's integrated. It can search across your tabs, summarize stuff, even suggest actions based on what you're looking at.
Voice commands, multi-tab analysis.
Huh.
It's all baked into the new tab page.
It's rolling out free for now, Windows and Mac. Opt in. But they've hinted at subscriptions later.
And the future potential sounds pretty powerful. Accessing history, credentials, with permission, obviously.
Yeah, to actually do things for you, like book trips, fill forms, run errands online.
So Edge is jumping headfirst into these agentic browser wars.
Definitely joining Perplexity's Comet, TBC's Dia. Others are doing similar things.
And while these agent features are still maybe a bit rough sometimes,
Yeah, they can misunderstand things.
it feels like this kind of active AI in the browser is definitely where things are headed. It's not going away.
Not at all. It's the direction of travel. And speaking of momentum from China, Alibaba's Tonki Lab. Ah, yes, 1.2.2, a new open-source video model.
Pushing things forward quite a bit there. Better cinematic quality, better motion, text to video, image to video.
How are they pulling that off? Video is hard.
They're using this two-expert system. One handles the big picture, the scene.
Like a director.
Sort of, yeah. And the other handles the fine details, motion, textures, keeps it efficient but high quality.
And the results? How does it stack up?
Apparently beating rivals like Seedance, Kling, even Sora in some areas. Aesthetics, text rendering, camera control.
Wow. And they boosted the training data significantly, too.
Oh, yeah. 66% more images, 83% more videos than the last version. That lets it handle more complex stuff.
And users get more control. Lighting, color, camera angles.
Exactly. More knobs to turn for that cinematic feel.
It really drives home that point about China building this parallel open ecosystem, doesn't it?
It absolutely does. While the West debates open versus closed, they're just building out the whole open toolbox language, images, now video.
That creates network effects, right?
Right.
More developers build on open stuff.
Which could really shift where global development heads long term. Okay, let's slow the pace slightly. Other news.
All right, first, this Excel agent, shortcut, from Fundamental Research Labs. Making some noise.
Big claims. They say it beats first-year McKinsey and Goldman analysts 89% of the time.
Whoa. So it's like having a junior analyst built into Excel. Financial models, filling files.
That's the idea. They admit it has weaknesses, but yeah, people online are calling it a ChatGPT moment for
You
finance.
can see how that might shake up those entry-level finance jobs.
Definitely. Okay, also from Alibaba, Quark AI glasses, powered by Quen, coming later this year.
Wearable AI continues. And Anthropic. Rate limits.
Yeah, for Pro and Max users. Says it's due to huge demand for Claude code. Affects under 5%, apparently.
Shows how popular these coding assistants are becoming. And a massive hardware deal.
Tesla and Samsung. $16.5 billion for Tesla's next-gen AI chips, the AI6.
Musk calling it strategically important. Custom silicon is key.
It's the foundation for their autonomous driving ambitions and more. Then there's AI in entertainment.
Runway and IMAX, that's cool.
Yeah, AI-generated short films from Runway's festival will be shown in 10 U.S. IMAX theaters in August.
Taking AI creativity to the literal big screen. That's a step.
It really is. And just for scale, Demis Hassabis from Google DeepMind.
Oh yeah, the token number, it was massive.
980 trillion tokens processed by Google AI in June. More than double May's number.
The scale is just hard to grasp, the amount of data being
It
processed.
tells you about the compute and data needed. And lastly, Anthropic research.
Using AI to audit other AIs for alignment.
Exactly. Automated agents finding subtle risks humans might miss, using AI to help keep AI safe.
Okay, that covers the big news. Let's quickly run through some trending tools people might want to check out.
Sounds good. First, Runway Aleph, great for video editing, generation, transformation.
Hunyuan3D Thinking from Alibaba, more powerful reasoning in their LLM.
Hunyuan3D World Model 1.0 from Tencent for generating open virtual worlds, like gaming, metaverse stuff.
Aeneas, Google's open source AI for restoring ancient texts. Very cool niche application.
For developers, Naptha, a platform to build and scale cooperative AI agents on the web.
Findable, an SEO tool, specifically for optimizing content for AI search results, adapting to the new search landscape.
PopResume AI assistance for resumes, cover letters, job prep, streamlining the job hunt.
Motionvid, create motion graphics quickly using AI. Good for marketing or social media.
And finally, Dreamflow turned text prompts into working Flutter apps, potentially huge for faster app development.
Wow, okay, that was a lot, but what a snapshot of the current pace, especially that open source push we talked about.
Yeah, the velocity is incredible. And seeing these powerful models, particularly open ones, becoming more accessible.
It really makes you think, doesn't it? As these tools get better and integrate more deeply,
What things that seemed impossible before are suddenly within reach for you?
what new creative ideas or tasks could you tackle next? That's something to mull over.
We certainly hope this deep dive gave you some valuable insights today.
Definitely follow the deep dive for more on where AI is headed. And please, share this with others who are curious about all these changes. We'll catch you on the next one.